video, I'm going to demonstrate a model of the strategy, talking roles. If you're experiencing problems such as students opting out during group discussion tasks, then this strategy might be a useful one. You might want to copy the strategy, or you might want to apply it for your context. If you do adapt it, do remember to try to maintain the steps that we think make this strategy effective. These are: teach students what each role involves and why it matters. Assign roles to students within each group. Rotate roles over time to give all pupils experience and ownership. You can assign based on strengths, learning goals, or to support quieter students. Set a task that requires collaboration and discussion and clearly link it to the roles. You can provide sentence stems or question prompts to support each student's function. And then finally, circulate and listen to group interactions. Give feedback on how roles are being used and afterwards debrief with the class. I'm now going to model what this might look like in a classroom. So students have just studied different regional case studies about the effects of climate change. So they've looked at Bangladesh, the Arctic and the Sub-Saharan Africa. They'll now work in groups to compare impacts and purpose solutions using assigned talking roles. Okay, so today each of you will take on a talking role in your group to help keep your discussion focused and collaborative. So here are the 4 roles and what they involve. We've got the clarifier, who makes sure that everyone understands the key points. We've got the builder, who adds to or develops others' ideas. The questioner asks thoughtful questions to deepen discussion. And then finally, the summariser captures your group's main ideas at the end. And these roles are important because they help make sure everyone contributes and the conversation stays purposeful. So I'm going to hand out these role cards now. Here's your role card. So have a look and keep it in front of you during the discussion. Have a read now. Okay, I just want you to have that one, Sarah. That one for you, Lucas. So if you're the questioner, try using "what do you mean by that?" or "can you explain that a bit more?" Summarisers listen carefully. You'll explain your group's main points to the class at the end. So now we have our roles. Your task is to compare the impact of climate change in 2 of the case studies from today's lesson, and then to propose 1 realistic solution for each. Remember to use your talking roles to help your group reach a shared response. So begin discussing now. Ella, as the clarifier, can you check if everyone understands what's happening in Bangladesh? Thank you. Rafi, great building there. You picked up on Layla's point and added a new example. Well done. Okay, summarisers, get ready to share your group's main ideas. Everyone else, listen and be ready to give feedback. Okay, let's start with Lucas. Now, reflect in your books. How did your role help your group's learning? What was easy or challenging about it? We're going to switch roles next lesson and everyone will get the chance to build their oracy skills. So you can see, this strategy encourages active listening, deeper thinking and equitable contribution, which is ideal for developing both subject understanding and communication confidence.